Hello, and welcome back to the Out Loud English podcast. My name is Jake.
And I'm Mia. We are so happy you're here for our special series, the 5-Day Everyday English Challenge.
That's right. Today is day 2, and we have a super useful topic, how to talk about your day in English.
This is one of the most common conversations in English, so get ready to listen and, most importantly, speak out loud with us.
Exactly. The more you practice speaking, the more confident you'll feel. Okay, Mia, let's start. Why is talking about your day so important?
Well, questions like, how's your day, or how was your day, are everywhere in daily life. You'll hear them from friends when you meet up, from coworkers at the office, or even your family at the end of the day.
All the time. It's the perfect way to start small talk or just check in with someone in a text message. It's a key part of building connections and practicing your English every single day.
Exactly. And remember, you don't need to tell a long, complicated story. Our emotional message for today is a simple, honest answer is perfect. So let's listen to a real, everyday example.
Sounds good. Let's do it.
Hey, Jake, how's your day going?
Hey, Mia. Pretty good. Just busy. I had a meeting this morning, so I've had a lot to do. It's been a long day already, but it's going okay. What about you?
Mine has been pretty calm so far. I just answered some emails and got some coffee.
Okay, so that was a super normal, simple conversation. The question Mia asked was, how's your day going? We use this when the day is still happening.
Right. Let's break down some useful phrases from that conversation and a few others. A very common and positive answer is, my day is going pretty well. It's simple and friendly.
Yeah, or you can say, my day is going okay. This one is more neutral. It means things are not bad, but maybe not amazing either. Just okay.
And what if you have a lot of things to do? In the example, Jake said, it's been busy so far. This tells the person you have a lot of work or activities. You could also say, I've been working all morning.
Exactly. You could also say, I've had a lot to do. Or another one I used, it's been a long day. We say this when we feel tired, even if it's still the morning or afternoon.
That's a great one. Another simple phrase is, I'm having a pretty good day. It's just another natural way to say things are going well.
Right. And if your day is not so great, but you don't want to complain, you can say, I'm just trying to get through the day. It's a polite way to say you're feeling a bit stressed or tired.
And finally, a really useful one for a normal, average day is nothing too exciting. And after you answer, it's always polite to ask the other person about their day. You can just say,
What about you?
perfect. Okay, are you ready to practice speaking?
My day is going pretty well.
It's been busy so far.
I've had a lot to do.
It's been a long day.
Nothing too exciting.
What about you?
Great job! Just hearing those phrases and saying them can make a big difference.
Okay, so that's for a day that is happening now. But what if the day is finished or almost finished? The question changes slightly. People will ask, how was your day?
Right, we use the past tense. How was your day? Your answer will also use the past tense. For a good day, you can say something simple like, it was great, or my day was pretty good.
For a busy day, you could say, it was really busy, or I had a lot going on. That just means you had many different activities.
And for a stressful day, you could honestly say, it was a bit stressful.
Right. And for a normal day, which is most days for many of us, you can say, it was pretty normal, or nothing special happened. And that's a perfectly fine answer.
Absolutely. Let's listen to one more quick example conversation. Hey Mia, how was your day?
It was pretty busy. I had a lot of work to finish.
That sounds exhausting.
Yeah, but I got a lot done. What about you? How was yours?
Mine was pretty normal, just worked and then made dinner.
See? It's often a short answer plus one small detail. I said my day was busy, and the detail was that I had a lot of work.
Exactly. It's a simple formula. Feeling plus a small reason. Okay, let's practice some of these short answers. Remember to speak out loud.
My day was pretty good.
It was really busy.
I had a lot going on.
I got a lot done.
Nothing special happened.
Mine was pretty normal.
Excellent work. You're sounding more natural already.
Okay, now for the main event, your mini challenge for day 2. We want you to say 3 sentences about your own day.
That's right. Just 3 simple sentences. First, say how your day was. Second, say one thing you did. And third, say how you feel about it.
For example, I could say, my day was pretty busy. I had to finish a big project. I'm glad it's done. Now you try. Say how your day was or how your day is going.
Now say one thing you did today, and it can be anything at all.
Now say how you feel about it. Are you tired, happy, relaxed?
Great. Now put it all together and say the 3 sentences out loud.
Amazing! You did it! That is a real, complete answer you can use in a conversation.
Wonderful job! Okay, let's do a quick review of the most useful phrases from today.
To talk about your day, you can say, it's been busy so far.
Or, my day is going pretty well.
That's a great foundation. But what if you want to say a little more? Sometimes pretty good doesn't capture the whole story, right?
That's a great point, Jake. Let's talk about how to add more detail, especially when you've had a really good day. It helps make the conversation more engaging.
Exactly. So if you had a fantastic day, instead of just, it was great, you could say something like, it was fantastic. I finally finished a project I've been working on for weeks.
That's a perfect example. You're sharing the feeling, fantastic, and the reason why. Or you could say, I had a really wonderful day. I caught up with an old friend I haven't seen in ages. It adds a personal touch.
Now, if it is the end of the day, to talk about a day that is finished, you can say, it was pretty busy.
Or, my day was pretty good.
Right. It invites the other person to ask a follow-up question, like, oh, who did you see? Or what project were you working on? It turns a simple check-in into a real conversation. And don't forget the most important question to ask back. What about you?
Let's practice a few of these more detailed positive phrases. Now, repeat after me. It was fantastic. I got a lot of things done.
Great job!
That brings us to the end of day 2 of the 5-day Everyday English Challenge. You learned how to talk about your day in simple, natural English.
Your homework is to practice that mini challenge. Try to describe your day in 3 sentences later today. The more you use it, the easier it gets.
And get ready for day 3 tomorrow. The topic is the Food English Challenge, where we'll talk all about ordering food and talking about meals. It's going to be a delicious episode.
It sure is. Before you go, leave a comment below and tell us one sentence about your day. We would love to read them.
Thanks so much for joining us. Keep practicing, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.
Bye for now.